Welcome to our new house. So we're gonna show you our new house today. We moved some stuff yesterday, not a ton, but I wanted to go ahead and film this before there were a million boxes and furniture in here. So this is a almost empty house tour. We have one less bedroom than we do at our current house, but honestly, it's one more room to clean, or one less room to clean, and one less room to have just a bunch of crap in, so I'm excited. It's very cute. It resembles our house now, which we love, so. Good lighting, good windows. Great. Let's show you around. Okay, so here's the entry. The front door is just right here. I like that there's like a space to put our coat rack and everything, and like we can hang something for keys here. Oh wait, no, there's a key thing right there.
There is.
There's a key thing right there. And then you come in. I'm assuming we'll set it up like couch, chair, I don't know. But we're trying to decide actually where to put our TV because ideally it would be here, but there's nowhere to plug it in.
Without having cords running.
Yes.
I mean, there is down there, but.
So I don't really know. We might just not have a TV, I guess.
Shut up.
Like, I'm not going to sacrifice the setting, so we'll see. Brad wants to put it here. That's not my vision or my plan. I hate that, but.
Just a outlet right on the bottom.
I usually get what I want, so we're gonna figure out how to put it where I want. Because what I would like is to have my record player stand here. With
The team picture.
Yeah, and then like, I don't know, we could do something else.
Second TV.
Stop trying to put it. This is gonna be where our Christmas tree goes, which I love. So cute, but I don't know, we could put like a big lounger here actually. A reading chair. I don't know. We might be selling our current furniture because I don't know how it's gonna fit. I'm super excited about this. I don't have a bookshelf and I have so many books. Most of this is books. So I'm really excited. I don't even know though if it will fill the shelves still, but I think it's so cute. We're gonna style them up nice. So yeah, this is the living room. I love the ceilings too. They're not beadboard, but they're cool. So this is the dining room. I like that there's an actual dining area. So this is, we're gonna have to put our table right here obviously because we'll hit our head. But table, and then I don't know what else we'll do in here, but it's nice, got good windows. And then it comes into the kitchen. I really like this area. It's like very pretty, good lighting. Nice big sink. No dishwasher, but we wash bottles all the time anyways, so we're used to that. And we can just pop like a little drying rack in here. But yeah, we honestly could put like an island in here if we wanted to, it's big enough. And then we don't have much cabinet space, so I think we're gonna put floating shelves here. I think it would be pretty if they were the same wood as the counters. Stove, everything, and then our comically small fridge that moves around for some reason. Alright, we're almost done. I like that we have a legit hallway. I like a hallway. Keep the light on. And then this is going to be our room. It is a little bit smaller than Miller's room, but I don't want him like on the main street. So I think we'll probably put our bed. Brad thinks it should go here. I think that's probably what we'll have to do, but then the TV will have to go there. I don't know, I'm not happy with the placement of the outlets, but we'll figure it out. I wanted the bed here. Brad thinks that isn't right, so I don't know. I thought it would be nice to have the bed here. I think it'll stop at about here. And then we would have like the TV there.
Maybe.
Or there, I don't know. So we'll see what we come up with.
Honestly, what you just said's not. If the dresser would have to go on that wall probably.
Yeah.
And then TV on its own, but then there'd be nothing to hide the cords, so I don't know. All right, anyway.
We can put the dresser here. That's good.
Yeah, but then that's just a lot of unused.
No, because it's space for me to get out of bed, and then I'm gonna put a register cover over this and use it as a nightstand.
You can do that?
Yeah, you put a marble slab on top. That was my nightstand in high school. It's
Oh.
one of these. And then I could put a mirror above it. Well, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna write notes.
It'd be nicer if we could move the bed further over.
We can't.
Yeah. Yeah, because it would just be like on this way, and then you have this open space over here. That would be nice. Why not?
Because you can't put the bed near that.
You can't?
I don't know. It's hot.
Okay. No wonder.
And where's the middle? I think we'll do crib, because this baby monitor will have to be plugged in. I like that it'll be in the middle of him.
Yeah.
So crib, and then dresser, probably here, and then chair there.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll play with it. Or else we could tell
I'd put the chair over here.
Yeah, put the chair there. I don't know. Kind of an oddly shaped room, but and then there's two. This will probably be my closet, honestly. There are two closets here, so one will be mine, one will be another man's. So,
It's cool.
yeah. I do like the floors in here. We'll have to get some rugs. As you can see, like a bit of staining, but an old house, we're used to that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then last room is the bathroom. I actually really like the bathroom. It's so cute. This will go. But nice new shower. I like the gold. I wish that they did gold here.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
I don't mind.
But this, like, I think these are literally just stuck on here. Like, we could do whatever with this if we wanted to. And like, this is random. I don't like that it hits the door, so that's gonna go.
What? Oh.
And then I'll replace that too. But yeah, I like that there's a window in here
Mhm.
for lighting. And then we have good storage. Nice, good storage.
Yeah,
so.
I probably forgot that was in here, actually.
Yeah, I know, we need it. That's the place.
Let's move.
Okay. I think I can make it really cute in here.
Mm-hmm.
And I actually don't mind the color of the walls. What do you think?
No, I don't.
I kind of like it. It just, all our stuff is like cream and brown. So, or not cream, like tan and brown. So we'll have to see what we can do there, but yeah. So this is the new place. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know any ideas for layout type stuff. I'm open to ideas, but we're gonna have to get a little bit creative. So let me know any ideas you guys have. There will be a couple more moving vlogs after this, so make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Welcome to our new house.
You don't want to do that again. I was like blinking hard. I was like trying to come out of a yawn. I was gonna tell you when I was ready.
Welcome to our new house. Welcome to our new house. Welcome to our new house.
New house.